What if when you're able to extract targeted information, targeted business category data from Google Map completely for free for a whole country? I know there would be other solutions in internet like Appify and other platforms, but for those platforms you need to pay. But this JavaScript is very easy and it's going to be completely free for you. And after this video, I'm going to put this JavaScript code into my Telegram channel and you can download it and just use it completely for free. Hey, my name is Reza and today I am very excited to show you this approach. And all of us, we know that, extracting data from a legitimate platform like Google Map would be very important if we want to use it in our marketing channel, like sending emails or use the telephone number and so on. For this JavaScript we need to use Node.js. For those of you that you don't know what is Node.js, I would say that Node.js is one application that lets you to run JavaScript code in your computer or in your server, and Puppeteer is one library that can let you to control a Chrome browser with code, with just coding, like to do actions like click, scroll, fill up the form, press the button, go to the next page, and so on. And basically everything that you can do manually with your browser you can just do with coding. So let me just show you my code. For this code you need to install Node.js, so I just provided for you the command. So first of all you install Node.js, and then afterward create one folder and then create one environment, and then you install Puppeteer with some plugins like Stills. So what is Stills? This JavaScript is very smart JavaScript. So basically it uses minimum of your RAM, and basically for every request it's going to open one Chrome browser and then it's going to close it and then open it again. And Stills plugin here is going to let you to come up with minimum fingerprint, so Google Map won't block you. This is very important for such scraping software. We know that Google Map is gonna block us, but I'm using this JavaScript code like for days and days and it didn't happen to me. So here we see that we have two queries like video production and animation studio. So we want to basically extract those businesses from Google Map region by region for the whole country of England. So if you see here we have cities and regions, and this is very important because if you want to get the all information we need to go region by region and extract data. But sometimes happens that we download or we scrape the duplicate data, and this JavaScript code is gonna delete the duplicate afterward during the scraping process, and then afterward it's going to save into two files, result.json and results.csv. So if you see here we have London, we have different regions of London, and other cities in England. And probably some of you ask that your country is different. That would be very easy. Just get my code and put it in ChatGPT and ask from ChatGPT, please update this JavaScript code for your targeted country, like Denmark and the other country. It works perfectly. So it goes region by region. If you see here, I don't want to go through the coding because that is not the goal of this tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to let you to extract data, and then I will show you the data that I extracted for England. If you see here, this is one CSV file, and if I go to the end of this file, I see that I was able to extract like 25,000 of businesses completely unique for video production and animation studio. It is awesome. Here we have this table is showing the region, the query that we use, the name and website, and basically, and the URL, yeah, and basically that's all. So let's go through my my server, and I want to show you how does it work. So if I just put here Node.uk.js, basically Node.js is going to run this JavaScript in my server, and let's see what is going to happen. So it goes through the region number 1, and totally we have 1472 regions, and the query is video production. And you see here, scroll down, and you know, the new, and then saved into the file, and then it's gonna go to it's gonna, you know, sleep for a random seconds of time, and then it's gonna go for the next region. But this time the query is Animation Studio, City of London. So if you want, I mean, you can change your query or you can add your query. This is gonna be completely easy. And it's gonna sleep again, and it's gonna go for the next region, and again and again and again, until fulfill all 1472 regions. So basically, I am very happy with this JavaScript. It works perfectly, and it's gonna delete the duplicate, and I hope that you use it and you enjoy from it. So if you have any question afterward, just feel free to put comments, and I would come back and reply your comment, and then you know, yeah. And one other stuff, I would say that, you know, with this JavaScript code, also what I have done before, I add some AI into this JavaScript code, which let this JavaScript code to extract targeted information like emails. Of course, we can do it without AI with some, you know, regex code, but if you look for some very specific information, you can add AI API to this JavaScript, and then it works perfectly. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good day.